Unwrap the belt. Look at his face. He's horrified. Come on.
Hello. Do you see it?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes. You look at his face. He loves
Hello.
Stefan, unwrap it. Come on.
Huh? Okay.
Unwrap it.
Do you really like it?
Yeah, I like it a
I
lot.
like fell in love with it whenever I saw it.
So you bought it for yourself.
No.
I'm just kidding. I'm just
I think
kidding.
it looks like a jawbreaker. You know how
It
like,
does.
That splatter panel? I think it's really cute.
I can't.
I
I'm
really like
No,
it.
I do. I'm honestly shocked right now at him because kids normally rip presents up like it's their business. He's like, not. I see. Let's go.
Are you actually gonna wear it?
Yes, I will. I like it a lot.
Do you have any belts like that?
No, I don't. Dude, he growls at the camera.
No, you didn't.
Okay, okay, okay.